Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Lovely Tips. Today, we're tackling a common household problem that many of us face: German cockroach infestations. We'll show you step by step how to get rid of them for good. First, let's understand our enemy. German cockroaches are sneaky pests that can multiply rapidly, so it's crucial to take action as soon as you spot them. Signs of an infestation include droppings, a musty odor, and seeing cockroaches scurrying around your kitchen or bathroom. The first step in eliminating these unwanted guests is to maintain a clean and sanitary environment. Cockroaches are attracted to food, water, and shelter. So, let's begin with proper cleaning. In the kitchen, ensure you clean up all crumbs, grease, and spills immediately. Seal food in airtight containers and don't leave dirty dishes overnight. In the bathroom, fix any leaks and keep it dry. Cockroaches love moisture, so preventing water buildup is key. Throughout your home, declutter and vacuum regularly, especially in hard-to-reach spots like under appliances. Now, let's talk about some useful tools to combat German cockroaches. Number 1, roach baits. Roach baits are a great option. They contain poison that roaches carry back to their nest, effectively exterminating the colony. Number 2, diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a natural and non-toxic option. Sprinkle it in areas where you've seen cockroaches. Number 3, cockroach traps. Cockroach traps are helpful for monitoring and trapping cockroaches. Place them in strategic locations. Number 4, chemical sprays. If the infestation is severe, consider chemical sprays, but use them cautiously and according to the manufacturer's instructions. Getting rid of German cockroaches requires persistence and a combination of cleaning, baiting, and sealing your home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Lovely Tips.